Hello, good morning. Have a beautiful day 4. Start my day with 3 sets of pull up with different style and also holding exercise. Start your day without chemical, so use some neem tree, bamboo tree, or banyan, whatever tree available there. You can use that as a toothbrush. You can use normal toothpaste in the night time before sleep. You can use that one. Cold shower is one of the best thing ever that reduce bad heat from your body. In our body there have two types of heat, bad heat and good heat. Bad heat, we need to remove the bad heat by taking a cold shower, but we need to create good heat by doing yogasana and some exercise and meditation pranayama. You can create good heat. Water is a very good source that connect you to talk with your subconscious mind. So it's a better place for meditation. So swimming is the best exercise. You can swim when you get a chance in the water. You can also do swimming exercise without water, just in a standing position, just move your hand up and down. That open your heart chakra and also remove the blockage from your body. One of my best exercise is swimming. That activate your whole muscles and remove the whole blockage from your body. The only exercise your whole body is get activated. And also there are also breathe also get in your control. Now holding exercise, holding underwater, the holding your breath underwater is the most important one. Here you can easily connect with your subconscious mind. Just close my eyes and I am listening very calmly, listening my inner body, listening what happening to my body. Just listening my breath. Feel like nothing, feel very light. So here I am forgot to take breath. Then you feel something very good meditation. It's quick meditation technique only. After finishing my shower, just went to the temple, take Bhakti Yoga. So here Bhakti Yoga, just surrender yourself in front of the God. It's a very easiest yoga method. Then come back to the home and start again 5-10 push-ups. It's just for energy. I feel like I want to do that. Only work on through your body, on your mind. When your body feel you need to work out, you can do some workout. Your body feel don't need, then skip. So start my day with a tender coconut with amla. In India, most of the juice bakery, they have spent a lot of sugar. But don't use sugar. Instead of that, you can use tender coconut with some flavor. Whatever flavor you like, you can add that. You can use some pinch of salt also with these drinks with amla, tender coconut with the salt. It's very good combination. Now 3 idli with green pea and chutney. Just simple morning breakfast. And also tomato chutney. Then I came near to my pond. I sit while with my friend. After that, I start working. I have got some order. So we are packing for our customer. We are sending. So they have trusted us and order Karangali mala and wooden sandalwood and also silver mala, honey hair oil and pain oil. We are providing 100% natural. So only thing in our business is win-win-win situation for us. So everyone want to be happy. We need to the product that you are sending. They want to be happy, and we also want to be happy. So that's the only simple concept to doing the business. So just have my lunch. After that, take a shower in the falls, Tarparpu Falls. We just went there to visit with one of my friend. It's almost like a massaging, natural way of massaging. After that, little bit meditation. Just sit a while for 10 minutes, close your eyes and understand your body. And after that, stretch according to your body, what your body need. Sometimes body need heavy stretches, sometimes light stretches. Yoga means go through your body, go inside. That's the main thing. Okay, after that visit our Mathur Totipalam with my friends. Then came back after bath, take some meditation, and I had some prasadam from our temple, sweet and some other bits. So reading book is one of the best sleeping pill. I like to read book before sleep. That's the best sleeping exercise. Don't use mobile phone 1 or 2 hours before sleeping. So it's a simple routine we can follow daily. So before sleep I can use Kadakai powder for 21 days or 41 days. Here I am going to follow 41 days. So that's cleanse your entire stomach. And also good night. Have a good sleep.